Alright guys, this morning I'm actually getting my car wash done over here, or my car washed over here, and I'm up here in Hensonville, so I'm going to take a stroll around Hensonville and show you guys around Hensonville here. It's part of Angeles City. So yeah, there's the jeepney terminal right there, and we're heading in here to Hensonville. A little puppy under here. Hi, puppy. Little puppy. Place right here on the corner. Actually, they were making furniture out of there, and here within the past couple months, they're now making it a food court. So there's quite a few food courts here in Hensonville. Usually, if business comes in and it does very well, you'll have a bunch of other ones pop up. But I'm gonna have to give that a try then. You guys see right here, they got this road blocked off. You're not supposed to enter there. I'll show you as we go down the road what happened. But they've got this road blocked off that says traffic this way, do not enter. If I stand here long enough, you'll see motorbikes going in there. You'll see trikes trying to go in there. And then they'll use that lot right over there and they'll scoot through there. I talked to a guy who lives here, and I asked him why do they do that, and it's Filipino, and he basically, his answer was, well, if there's no police there to enforce it, people just do it. So anyways, we're gonna head down this way. So there it is, there's a new food court back in there. I don't know if it's open yet, but it looks nice. Like I said, there were guys in there building furniture up to about a few months ago, so. Little motorcycle shop. This is another food court. Yeah, it's another food court here. That's fairly new also. Actually, it is new. So yeah, that's number 2 food courts. I lived up in this area 2013, 2014, and just from then till now, there's been a lot of growth up here in Hensonville. Car wash has been there for a while. It's been there since I can remember. Old Santa Claus. So if I can walk up through here, like I said, they got road construction going on. Right here's this road construction. Up to well, about a month ago is when it happened. Big huge sinkhole in the middle of the road, and what they're doing is now is they've dug up this part of the road here, and they're going to be replacing it. But it was a massive sinkhole. I think what might have happened was right there to the left is CRK Lumber and Hardware. A lot of big trucks coming in and out of there with a lot of weight, and I think there was a water leak, or there was a pipe leak, or whatever you want to call it, underneath the road. And then I think one of the big heavy trucks parked on top of it or whatever, the weight of the truck finally collapsed part of the road. So They're digging that up. Usually, let's see, they say 2 months to complete. I mean, you can see it's most of it's all manual hand labor, but we'll cruise up there and you guys can check it out. But anyways, another car wash right there. Snowman Laundry. That's the first laundromat I've seen around here. Self-service laundromat. Yeah, right there is where the water leak was. But even like you see that motorbike just scooting down through there. This is supposed to be one way coming through here, but that doesn't happen. Another place here on the corner going up. Yeah, right there, that's new. That's going up. I think that might be a gas station. I'm not sure. Guess we'll find out. You got this convenience store here on the left. The Night Out convenience store. Then you got the trike line here. Different angle. Don't know what's going in there. We'll find out though. That was a empty parking lot. These are new here also. Papa Perez. This is new. American breakfast. American breakfast. They're not open. It's morning time. Got this place here. Craft beer and shawarma, Hensonville. Another new building or another new business coming in. This place here, Delicioso Grill and Restaurant. That used to be called something else. Actually, ate in there back in 2013. Food was decent, but I think it's still in business. I don't know. A lot of these are only open in the evening, and during the day they just sit empty. Make their money at night. Pentonville Homes B B. Now this place is fairly new. Like I said, a lot of these are closed during the day. This B B here, you come down here at night and it's a barbecue, outside seating area and everything, and the parking lot's packed. There's a lot of people in there. I haven't eaten in there. Plan to. Another one of these days things. But the way I look at it, you know what, I'm here, I'm not going anywhere, and I will be down here to eat. But it's an outside barbecue, B and the place does very well. A garage sale, wow. That's the first. Never seen what they call a garage sale here. I thought that was something only in America. Nard's Air Conditioning and Refrigeration. Guys, remember when I had my little fender bender? That was from one of the guys that drives for Nard's, and there's where I went to have the car fixed, Nard's. But yeah, that's the only reason I know about Nard's is because one of his guys sideswiped the car. Now, this is Ichabod. I have eaten here at Ichabod, and I have eaten here a few times. Very nice. Food's good. Another outside barbecue. They got really nice seating in there. It's pretty cool. Let me see. I'll stroll up here. I don't think they'll say too much, but yeah, this is inside Ichabod's. Here's their outside grill. Another place that's open in the evenings. Does very well. Matter of fact, they even have Ichabod's in the mall at SM, and you go by there and there's quite a few people waiting in line and sitting down there in Ichabod's in the mall. Now this place here, this gas station, this is another one that's new. When I first started coming here, this place was here, and I think they just sold LP gas, which they still do. But they used to, guys used to come running out of here, and they used to have gas in little Coca-Cola bottles. The guys would stop jeepneys and they'd fill up their tanks with these little bottles of Coca-Cola. So it just goes to show, if you sell enough gasoline and Coca-Cola bottles, you can eventually save up enough money for a gas station. More construction here. Oh, music. Before I get up there, I gotta turn this off. Anyways, this is a new new car wash right here. State-of-the-art car wash right here. Zarbor Pizzeria. Another new pizza place down here, or new eating place down here within the past few years. Then this place, Lume House. This is another one that in the past few years has come up. I've eaten in here. Very good. Lume House. They actually have a function hall where you can rent out the hall for a wedding, baptism, birth anniversaries, dinner party, whatever. But they have a really nice hall in here. I was up there and checked that out one time. Lume House. Little car wash over there. That's been there since I can remember. Right over there, they reupholster. Police station. Oh, there it is. There's the police station. They used to have roosters sitting out here. They've cleaned that up. Be careful where you step, you might fall through the sidewalk. Alright, now we're down here where the do not enter is for the oncoming traffic. Make sure I don't get hit walking across here. Sorry, store.
Hi,
hello. Now, this is the road we lived on. 2013, 2014. We lived all the way down there at the end. I'm not going to go down there because I got to get back and get my car. But anyways, this is the road we lived on. Right here is Messino Food Court. Did a video on this one time. Go back, check it out if you want to see about Messino Food Court. But anyways, there's a little stroll through Hensonville. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. I know you guys like the little walk-arounds and stuff, and you know what? I love walking around. I love seeing new things. I love checking things out. Gives me good exercise, and you guys like to see it. So anyways guys, I'm going to call this one a wrap, and until next time.